Sir G. Thanusa Rani ji.
Thank you, Chairman Sir, for granting me the opportunity to participate in the discussion of motion of the thanks on President address. Sir, this is my maiden speech. I would like to request you to grant me some more time, sir. At the outset, I would like to thank our party president, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, for granting me the opportunity to contest an election at the relevantly young age from the Arku constituency, which is the reserve constituency from Andhra Pradesh. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to the people of Arku for reposing their faith on me. As an MP from the tribal community, I am also overjoyed to participate in the debate on the motion of thanks to Honorable President's address. I would like to congratulate Sri Narendra Modi ji for taking the efforts to ensure the person from the tribal community, and more especially a woman has been elected to occupy the highest constitutional post in the country. I wholeheartedly thank the Honorable President for highlighting the progress and the further aspiration of the government, sir. I would like to take this very special opportunity to highlight the burning issue in regards to the education and uplifting the tribal community in the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. The Constitution Bench of Supreme Court in the judgment dated 2022-4-2020 in the case of Chembrolu Leela Prasad Rao and the other versus state of Andhra Pradesh and the others had stuck down to the famous GO number 3 of the AP government issued in 2000 as unconstitutional. The notification has reserved all the posts of teachers in the educational institution of tribal areas of Andhra Pradesh exclusively for the local scheduled tribes, sir. The Andhra Pradesh GO of 2000 was aimed to promoting education in the tribal areas, addressing the problems of the remnant teacher absenteeism. As anyone slightly acquainted with the problems of tribal areas known, the non-tribal teachers are often reluctant to travel or live in the remote tribal hamlets. Another big problem is the language. Many tribal non-tribes, including the other government officials, have lived years in the tribal areas without feeling a need to learn the tribal languages. At the primary level, the mutual incomprehension between the non-tribal teachers and the tribal students hampers the basic education for the children. As the Supreme Court once again dismissed all the cases with regards to the GO number 3 in the civil appeal judgment dated May 19, 2023, the legal resource has ended. As a MP representing my community, especially after completing my MBBS, as well as having given my MD entrance, I realized the value of good education. Unfortunately, due to the inherent bias in the system, the tribal students do not have the access for the good education even now. Sir, for far too long, the education in India have been seen by establishment of a civilizing mission designed to make tribals and the Dalits into the mental clones of the other communities. The merits are designed merely as an efficacy in achieving this goal rather than the terms of success is tapped indigenous ecological knowledge, preserving the tribal languages, culture, and giving the confidence to the tribal students by acting as a role models. Herefore, having 100% tribal teachers in the scheduled area is a small step towards reversing the GO number 3. Through you, sir, I would like to urge the central government as well as the state government of Andhra Pradesh to ensure that good teachers from the community are able to teach the students and the community not to look down upon as a human Jew or the source of enjoyment in the primitive culture for the dance performance, as mentioned in the paragraph 107 in the Supreme Court judgment of 2020, sir. Sir, I am proud to be a member of ST community, and I am proud of the culture and the heritage. As for long efforts in the struggle of my people able to get the basic education, as well as the education is the bigger library. I once again urge the central government and the state government to take the necessary policy measures to earliest to ensure 100% reservations is allotted to the teachers from the tribal community for the recruitment of agency areas, sir. Sir, one more issue, sir. As a party, we have demanding the special category status for the last 10 years, sir. Now the NDA government required the support from the TDP to stay in the power. This is the opportune time for the central government to grant the special category status to the Andhra Pradesh, sir. However, rather than demanding the special category status, over the last 5 weeks, the ruling party in Andhra Pradesh is sponsored and enhanced the brutal wave, organized the violence in the leadership and the cadre and sympathizers of the YSR Congress party, sir. The TDP government has been using the JCB vehicles to demolish the homes of YSR Congress party supporters, especially these of SCs, STs and the OPCs. They are also demolished the central party office, sir, in the Tadepalli and the 26 other districts.
Please
sir.
conclude.
Thank you
Please
so much,
conclude.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.